Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and as you guys know, I'm trading in my iMac. So this is the trade-in box that Apple sent for the computer, and it actually comes in a few parts, and there were no instructions in here. So I just want to do a little walkthrough for you guys who are confused, just because it is a multiple part process. So here we have a strip of tape for closing up the box. I did retape the bottom because when mine came, the tape was falling off. So obviously I didn't want the weight of the iMac in there to knock that off. So this part right here is the bottom piece. You don't take that out. These pieces over here are going to be on top of this. When you get the box, you'll remove those. Right there where that cutout is where your iMac's stand is going to go. This foam piece right here is going to go on top of that, and then your iMac's going to go face down, which I'll show you guys here in a second, but I just want to explain something. This foam piece is double-sided, so this is for the smaller iMacs right here. And then on the other side, you have your larger 27-inch iMac right there. So make sure you have that in the correct size so your iMac does not move around. And then this piece goes on the top. As you can see, you have another cutout for the stand to stick through. So I'm going to get the iMac, and I'm going to put that foam piece in and put the iMac on top of it, and then I'll show you guys how that should sit in there. Alright, so I have that foam piece in, and I have the Mac on top of it. Now I believe this trading kit was made for the older 21.5-inch and 27-inch iMacs, because you can see here the computer doesn't actually sit all the way in the foam piece on this side. It's a little bit too long, so I don't believe they've updated the trading kit for the 24-inch iMac yet, but that is what Apple sent for the trade-in, so I'm just going to use this side. It's still on the foam. It's still not going to shift side to side, so it should be okay, and I'm just going to put that other piece on top, and it will be ready to go. Alright, so you can see here, even with it not completely fitting in the foam, the foot right here is still secured in the cardboard, so the computer is not going to be able to shift side to side in transit. And I'm just going to put the power cord and the accessories right here on top. I don't know if you need to send back the keyboard and mouse, but I don't need them. I know you definitely probably need to send back the power cord, but keyboard and mouse I'm not too sure about. They didn't really mention anything in the instructions, but again, I don't need them, so I'm just going to send them back anyway. Alright, and just like that, your Mac is picked up and ready to go back, or packed up and ready to go back to Apple. I did have to pay for a UPS pickup, even though it was a return label. It was $13, so that was better than me having to get that giant box in my car and into a UPS store. So they will pick it up from my front porch, and it will go back, and you'll get your trading credit. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.